All right, this is Sean, a Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem. Make sure you pause this video so you can give it a shot. Then unpause it and see if you got it right. All right, so this says which equation relates y to x for the values in the tables above. So we're trying to see which one of these equations shows the relationship between y and x. Now, the first thing is, so we got to see if we can see any patterns between these. And when I look here, I see the numerator increases by 8 each time. So that means, and let me get my pencil tool here. Between each of these, every time you go up one, you add 8 over 2, right? Every time, if you look at that. So, you see this one right here has it's like an exponential equation. This is not an exponential. It goes up 8 over 2 each time. So you can definitely cross that out. Okay. This just looks kind of weird here. But the rise of a run is 8 over 2 for every one. So really it's 4 over 1 or 4. Okay. So that automatically makes this look like the right one here, answer choice D. But let's confirm. So the slope is rise over run. Sorry about my sloppy handwriting. I can write, or y over x, which is 8 over 2, which is 4 over 1, which is just 4. That's the only one with a slope of 4. And the question is, where does this start? If this is 3 halves at x equals 1, where is it at x equals 0? X equals 0 is the y-intercept. And so whenever x is 0, that means we need to subtract um, 8 over 2, which means 2, 1. Yeah, so that's going to be negative 5 over 2. So y equals 4x minus 5 over 2 is the final answer. Let me know if you got that right. Okay. Again, you got to be able to look at this and recognize the patterns. And usually, once you do that kind of stuff, when you determine that, you should be able to pretty quickly eliminate a couple of answer choices. A lot of times, that may be all you need to do. You may not have to go through and solve the whole problem. Okay. Let me know if you got it right in the comments. Y'all have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.